How to start social media marketing for small business, that's what we are talking about in this video. Now if you are new to this channel, please tap the like button and subscribe, because then you won't miss out on new videos that we release. Let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'll give you some essential social media tips. Stay tuned. Start with a plan. It's easy to get started using social media for business purposes. We all use social media in our day-to-day lives, so there's a level of comfort with the tools. Every good business strategy starts with a good plan. Yes, you can use social tools for free. But the time and effort involved still represent an investment in your business. Without a plan, you have no clear goal for what you're trying to achieve. That means there's no way to know if you're getting a return on that investment. Take the time to create a social media plan upfront. This ensures all your social efforts support specific business goals. Here are some strategic social media tips to help you create a social media marketing plan. Research the competition. How are your competitors using social media? While you don't want to copy them, learning from what others have done is a great way to reduce your learning curve. A competitive analysis can help you learn what's working and what's not for other businesses like yours. Look for inspiration online. You've looked at what your competitors are doing online, but what about other businesses? Take inspiration from the success of businesses in all industries. Where can you find these success stories? Head to the business section of most social networks' websites and you'll find useful case studies. Create a social media calendar. A social media calendar helps you post the right content to the right social channels at the right time. It should include a plan for your content mix. Try starting with the 80-20 rule. Use 80% of your content to inform, educate, or entertain your audience. Use the other 20% to promote your brand or sell your products. Decide which social media platforms are right for you. Don't make assumptions about where your audience spends their time online. Your instinct might tell you that if you're targeting Gen Z, you should skip Facebook and focus on Instagram and TikTok. But the data shows that nearly a quarter of Facebook users are aged 18 to 24. To make sure you're using social media for business effectively, you'll need to conduct some research of your own. This will help you to understand how your specific audience spends their time online. You can use different social channels to reach different audiences, or to meet different business goals. The average internet user has 8.4 social media accounts, so you can connect with them on different platforms for different purposes. For example, you could use Facebook to build your audience and generate leads, and Twitter for customer service. Find out who your audience is online. One reason using social media for business is so effective is that you can micro-target your audience. But first, you need to understand who your audience is. Start by compiling data on your current customers. Then, dig deeper with social media analytics. You'll soon start to understand who's buying from and interacting with you online. Build relationships with your audience. The unique benefit of social media marketing for small business is that it allows you to talk directly to customers and followers. You can build relationships over time, rather than asking for a sale upfront. That said, you certainly can use social media to make more sales. More than 40% of internet users use social networks to research brands. Create a Facebook group for your small business. Facebook groups are another great way to build community and brand loyalty, and they can help you reach more people who may be interested in your business. Okay, so those are a few tips to help you. Please leave a comment below, click the like button, and subscribe to this channel now for more useful content. Now make sure you go and click the link in the description box below the video now and check out the website. If you want help and training on how to start an online business, I suggest you check out the online courses available. These courses are designed to provide you with all the knowledge you'll need to launch a successful online business from start to finish, so make sure you check them out. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.